Finding the right agent can make or break your e-commerce business. So let's dive into Allchinabuy, Joyabuy, and Cnfans to see which one reigns supreme. First up, Allchinabuy, known for its user-friendly interface and wide range of services. On the downside, their fees can sometimes be a bit higher compared to the competition. Next, we have Joyabuy, boasting a strong emphasis on product quality and thorough inspection processes. However, their website navigation can feel a little clunky at times. Lastly, Cnfans shines with its competitive shipping rates and a large community forum for support. But keep in mind that their customer service response times might be slower than the others. So, let's break it down with a comparison chart. When it comes to product sourcing, all three are pretty neck and neck, but quality control is where Joyabuy really stands out. Cnfans has the edge on shipping logistics and affordable fees. Don't forget to factor in customer support response times when making your decision. The best agent for you depends on your specific needs and priorities. Weigh these factors carefully and choose the one that aligns best with your e-commerce goals.